A lot of people are still finding it very difficult to actually make Nigerian puff puff, and this puff puff just need 5 ingredients. You don't need too much. And for a start, you're going to be starting with your yeast. For this recipe, I'm going to be using half tablespoon of yeast. Mix it in warm water. Then I'm going to go into another jar. I'll add all my dry ingredients. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of flour. I'm using 1/3 cup of sugar, and I'm going to use um half tablespoon of salt. I'm going to go in with my nutmeg. Then I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients carefully together. Then after that, I'm going to add my yeast in warm water. I'm going to add it into this mix and give it a good mix. Then I'll go ahead with warm water. Now when I'm using warm water, I use 2 cups of flour to 1 cup of warm water, and that just does it for me. So I'm just going to mix this, let it sit for about 40 minutes to 1 hour before frying. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this channel. We love you.